So in this video, you learn how to turn Mobile Hotspot on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to just go ahead and navigate to settings. And then once you're in settings, you're going to tap on connections. From connections, you're then going to select Hotspot, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. And then from here, look for Mobile Hotspot and tap on it. The first step when it comes to enabling it is to just tap on the toggle like that and it will be turned on. So anybody who has your hotspot name and password can now be able to connect to your mobile hotspot. If you want to disable it, you can just tap on the toggle and it will be turned off. Alternatively, if you've already gone through the process of setting up your mobile hotspot, you can use the quick settings menu as a shortcut for you to turn the hotspot feature on or off. So what you want to do is just swipe down for quick settings. And then from here, you should see mobile hotspot. So if you want to turn it on, just tap on the icon like that. And if it's glowing one of your system colors, it means it's been turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on the icon, it will switch to gray and it's been successfully turned off. And so those are the two methods that you can use to turn your mobile hotspot on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.